Hello, traders. Dale Pinkert here, and it's Sunday evening here in California, and we have the Asian session in full gear after trade talks broke off without a deal on Friday. We're seeing the effect mainly in stock index futures with the S&Ps down 28 handles right now going into tomorrow's session. I wanted to start off with the Aussie US dollar because Aussie really with the dollar weakening has not done much. Although I see a formation that I talk about quite frequently on here, potentially a third drive to a bottom, should come in around 69.40ish or so, and we will not have confirmation on this. It's a bit of a wedge and looking for contrarian type buy signals to develop down there at new lows after we clean out the stops under 69.60, which would kind of rhyme with the fact, especially if precious metals, the gold starts to act better. Aussie, not many Aussie bulls around, definitely less Kiwi bulls around. So looking for contrarian trade on risk off moves that we have happening here tonight because of what happened and what didn't happen in Washington. The next market that I'd like to discuss was an accurate forecast from last week. US dollar yen never was able to fill the gap, broke all the way down to the 109.40. Now with the S&Ps down over 28 handles right here, US dollar yen is reeling down 24. So I think there's a potential for a rally. Perhaps we have to clean out buy stops. It would have been more bullish if on this day right here we would have made new lows, but the low was 109.48. The date on that was May 19th, and earlier in the week, same type of situation. We had a low of 109.47. So there are sell stops under this level. Sometimes what you get are stop hunts where a market will just wash through to shake out the weak hand bottom pickers before a reversal. So I'm thinking contrarian here tonight with the markets under pressure, talking about the long side on weakness in Aussie and also on US dollar yen. And here's your look in S&Ps. Very important that this market holds this 28 50 to 30 level on a closing basis. As you can tell, it was capped by the 4-hour 50 moving average at 28.90. Should we be able to penetrate that 28.90, 2900 sometime in the next couple days, then you have a shot for a run at new all-time highs. It's actually a preferred scenario because I think that's going to be the short of the spring setting up if that does occur. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings, looking for contrarian trades in the Aussie, US dollar, yen. And we're going to see if this is a break to buy in stock indexes. Should know in the next 24 to 48 hours. Otherwise, we're on our way to 2780 and then potentially 2680. So, very critical week in a lot of different markets. Good hunting. And this is Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter on Twitter. Adios.